The Nothing Phone 2 got official in July last year, and so you may have been expecting its successor to show up in a few weeks' time. The lack of recent leaks regarding a Phone 3 was actually foreshadowing. Today, Nothing founder and CEO Carl Pei outright announced the fact that the Nothing Phone 3 is only going to launch in 2025. That's a pretty huge delay compared to the usual high-end smartphone yearly refresh cycle. Few days back, Nothing posted this teaser image on X with the caption 321. That could be a new phone. The leaks suggest this could be CMF Phone 1. The X user has shared a photo of the device, which also has the screw on the bottom left corner of its backside. The phone appears to be covered with some case to hide its full design. The leaker claims the device will ditch Nothing's signature Glyph interface. We think the Nothing Phone 3 will probably feature Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 4. The Phone 3 should come in 3 variants: 8GB plus 128GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 512GB. The Nothing Phone 3 boasts a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. We hope Nothing Phone 3 uses triple camera setup. The Nothing Phone 2 comes with a 4,700 mAh battery. We expect a bump in capacity, aiming at 5,000 mAh for Phone 3. The last generation Nothing supports 45W fast wired charging and 15W wireless. The pricing, too, should remain the same, 45,000 rupees, $699. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.